The green, actually, even with Dandy, this kind of slaps with Dandy, yeah? But yeah, we're doing an Austin today as our build. We're just still gonna do a normal stream today. I don't remember what color this is. I think the client meant to. All right, and here's the PCB. Alrighty, it's a big PCB. And then we have, I think the feet might have already been put on, and then we have some LEDs, which I'll probably install last. Actually, we might do those first. And then I have some screws. Ooh, this is a nice green. So nice.
Hey Alex,
Ooh.
how have you been?
I've always had a soft spot for this keyboard, by the way. Always had a soft spot for this. Like, always. I was wondering why Austin is around the 1K range. I just think there's not... I think it's a classic keyboard. Like, there's some history of this. Like, this keyboard's been around for a little while. It's heavy, dude. This thing is heavy. Yeah, I mean, like... I think this board's pretty awesome. I do have to take this apart because I want to get to this plate. But, yeah, I've always enjoyed this board. I've always thought this board's pretty cool. I don't need it. Alex said to be financially responsible. Oh, God, dude, this has weight to it. There's that bottom piece of the Austin, too. Beautiful. Beautiful. Typing on my pink Austin right now. I need to get myself an Austin one day. Someone stole my $100 worth of cherry clip-ins. You know what always kills me, dude? Also, Mode said 3 to 5 business days for shipping. It might be a bit longer since they're also sending out pre-orders. So, standard shipping time. I think a lot of companies are 3 to 5. It is in stock, yeah. I've always wanted an Austin, though. I've just never pulled the trigger on it because I don't know where I would use a full-size keyboard. I've always liked it. Where's my screwdriver kit? Oh, there it is. I really like this green. So this client actually sent me over this board and also a duck. And I've built this board plenty of times, but I have not built a duck yet, so I'm pretty excited for that. Oh, dude, this is heavy. I forgot what keycap set this client said they were going to use, but my God, they better use BRG. If this doesn't get BRG, this is a missed opportunity. But I think there will be a lot of nice little combinations you could use for this. LEDs, look how clean we soldered those in. I'll chip them away later there and clip those things. Look how clean the solder in for that was. If you guys are ever doing LEDs, just solder one leg in and then just use your thumb to push down. While you're pushing down, just reflow the solder and then just let it seat nicely against the PCB. These are Anubis switches, they're tactile. Sorry, I'm just making sure I soldered everything into place, guys. And then we're also gonna trim these. All right, Angel. Alex, are you getting the Type 30 macro board? Which was the Type 30? Is that really long Treasure Types one? Probably not. That thing is, like, I don't know what I would use that for. Ah, this looks sick with the... All right. Client had a really good choice with this. This looks cool. Alright, I'm vibing with this. That was a good choice on the client's part. My first streamer crush was you, and it still is, but then I met Tim and got a huge crush on him. We all get crushes on Tim Keelis. It's totally natural. Okay. This looks cool. Ah, this is heavy. Little Austin logo at the bottom. Very, very pretty. I hope the client ends up loving this. I'll go in and adjust these two stabies. Nice little sound profile. We have a very small desk pad underneath this, but it's okay. So these are with the Anubis switches, which are tactile. I think Canon Keys carries them. The client lubed them. I'm not too sure what they're lubed with. BRG would look cool on this, but we used Dandy on this. This is the FR4 plate, which I think is the much more safer choice here. Ooh, that sounds pretty good, actually. The Anubis switches feel kind of in the middle, leaning more towards light. Actually not bad. Medium bump? I wouldn't say it's like a super big bump. This is the FR4 plate. I think the aluminum plate would have honestly been very echoey and top mounty because it is a top mount keyboard. I'm gonna tune up that stab a little bit. Could use a little bit more lube. Mods all sound ridiculously good. Do you actually like it, Adam? This, it's tricky to get the 1800s to sound good. It's tricky, but I think this one here, like all the Austins I've ever built sound fantastic. So pretty happy with this one here too. This is GMK Dandy, yeah. I'm happy with this. We have another board that the client sent. It's another 1800 or full-size board. It's the Duck. I've actually never built a Duck before, but we're going to be doing that. This is pretty heavy, man. This has some weight to it. Beautiful looking keyboard, though. I'm going to double check the LEDs. They all should be working, but I'll double check on my Windows computer. LEDs never seem to work on the Mac computer. As you press on the stabies more, they kind of start to actuate a little bit nice, too. Very nice. I think it's turned out great. Pretty good stream today. Awesome sounding keyboard. Always been a big fan of these Austins. Super happy for this client. The green, actually, even with Dandy, this kind of slaps with Dandy, yeah? Wait, try the accents? Oh, wait, are you talking about the accent, like keycaps? Here, I'll try them for you guys. Just pretend. So we don't have to take them off. With accents? Do you guys like the accents more? Actually, the accents don't look half bad on this. I was a little nervous to try them because I was like, maybe the greens will clash. But the accents legitimately don't look half bad. I am not aware of another color spacebar for Dandy. I like it with the accents. I don't know about you guys. I think the accent's nice. Yeah, accent works on this. Yeah. Accent looks cool. I want to take some photos of this guy too. This is going to go on my photography table. I think this is a very pretty board deserving of some pics. Take care, everyone. Love ya, and goodbye, everybody. See you soon.